Hi, welcome back to the channel. And I'm filming this on my birthday here in New Delhi, India. And I found this fitting as I wanted to kind of do a reset with the channel and all. This channel really started with me living across cultures and figuring things out as I went. And obviously the Indian cooking was a big part of it. And that's still part of my life, and it's still part of this space. Cooking is genuinely something that I love, especially Indian cooking, and that's not going to go anywhere. It's still going to be here. Over time, I realized that food wasn't the only thing happening in my life or things that I got excited about. It's also about learning, adapting, and being in the moment and in the process, and sometimes figuring things out and sometimes not. As I've gotten older, I don't like to try to put things in neat little boxes. Not everything's going to fit perfectly in a neat little box. Alongside food, I want to share things I actually use and think about, like maybe certain books that I've read or technology tools that I've used, habits, ideas, things like that. It still fits with Masala with a twist. Masala is still there. It's going to be there because I'm not going to give up the cooking, but the twist is just going to be a little bit more visible. You're going to see a little bit more of me, maybe my family, things kind of like a day in the life, but throughout life. If you've been here for the food, I hope you will stay. And if you're new here, I'm glad you came across this page. I will hopefully be sharing some content here, maybe weekly if I can. I'm hoping to get that going. And all of you, I wish a happy new year and hope you've had a wonderful holiday season. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.